Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete call recordings on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone and from here, just tap on the call recordings you want to delete, just like that. Now from here, just tap on the bin icon over here. Now just tap on delete to delete this call recording. Now, if you want to delete all the call recordings on your smartphone, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on call recordings. Now just tap on delete all recordings now. Now just tap on delete to delete all the call recordings on your smartphone. And this is how to delete call recordings on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.